Do you know you can start making money from today? In case no one has told you, I'm going to share all of the secrets, yes, that no one is willing to share with you. Do you know you can start to monetize your skills and your crafts and begin to cash out on them starting from today? Guys, the first idea on my list here is for you to start your SEO agency. Do you know what SEO stands for? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Yes, so it is one of the best ways to bring in money real quick. It's also something that you can do from the comfort of your home if you know how to do it. See, if you do it correctly, being an SEO specialist will allow anyone make extra cash online. There are companies that need someone who knows how to make them more visible on search engines. And if you know what you're doing, the opportunities are actually endless. And it's a great field for people who love computers or marketing because it requires both of these skill sets. You have to be a good marketer and you must know how to use the computer very well. Now, there is a learning curve involved with SEO. You have to learn about keywords, their density, how to get backlinks for you to do things right, but don't let it discourage you. It's a great skill set for anyone to have. Yeah, so anyone interested in marketing or even computer science, you can start earning money with affiliate marketing, selling physical products or even digital products. Yes, there are ways to make money that no one is talking about. You can also rent out your belongings. You can share knowledge. Yes, you can make YouTube videos. You can write and make money, write books, write coding. You can make apps. Yes, you can start building apps. There are great options for raking in that money and generating sales for yourself. You can even build your own company with the help of a virtual assistant or even grow wealth through investment. Guys, for the greatest success, you need to provide value and stay on the cutting edge in this on-demand economy. You need to figure out what your unique selling point is. Like if you're really good at making soaps, for example, you can teach people how to make their own soaps. Yes, toxic-free soaps. You can. I have a friend, she has a YouTube channel. Actually, she makes soaps on her YouTube channel, but people want her to teach them one-on-one, and she makes a lot of money. She charges $1,000 to teach one person how to make their soap from the comfort of their home. She does one-on-one coaching. So you see, you can actually monetize your craft. I don't care what skills you have, you can monetize those skills. On this channel, I will ginger you until your sleeping brain will wake up. I'm telling you, like I said, figure out your unique selling points and learn how to market the value of your skills. That makes the whole difference. So you can make part-time income and you can make millions of dollars. There are tons of options to make money online. You can actually use flex jobs as a freelancer. Yes, you can go to flex jobs, start making money as a remote freelancer. You can also start a successful podcast. You can try Buzzsprout for free and get a $20 Amazon gift card. You can also test out Shopify to see if you want to start selling products online across all channels. You can launch and sell an online course with thinkific.com and share your knowledge with the whole world. You can also rent out your space. Yes, so with Airbnb to start making passive income. Which future method will you choose? And here are some questions that I get all the time. How can I get money without a job? It's easy and simple. If you don't have a job but you need to make money, there are lots of options out there, which includes, one of them is starting a blog. Yes, you can earn an income with ads, affiliate marketing, coaching, or even consulting. You can also start an online store with an e-commerce platform, Facebook page, Amazon accounts, yes, eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari. The list is endless. You can refinance your debts to get a lump sum of money. Yes. Do you know you can also rent out your room? Yes, on Airbnb. You can use an app to rent out your things. Yeah, there are lots of apps that you can use to rent out your things online. Even your bike, your car. Turo.com is one example. Try it out and thank me later. Do you know you can also invest in dividend stocks to create a steady income stream? Do you know you can also invest in real estate and rental income properties? You can then outsource tenant management to a property manager company. I'm telling you, you can also self-publish your book, sell it on Amazon and on your own website. In case you're wondering, how can I make money right now? There's a lot of money-making tactics that take a while to build an income. There are so many that can help you make money right now. Do you know that you can take part in surveys and make money today, now? You can go to websites like surveyjunkie.com. The next thing you can do is to build a sales funnel landing page and promote it with Facebook ads. You can also sign up for a side gig platform like Uber or TaskRabbit to start earning an income real quick. You can also sell items that you no longer need. You can sell it on Craigslist. You can sell it on Facebook Marketplace. You can even sell on eBay. Like I said, you can take out a personal loan, and then you can sign up for task platforms like Fiverr. You can sell your digital services. And in case you're wondering, or the question is, how can I make $100 a day? If your goal is to make $100 a day from your computer, there are plenty of options. You can build a website and generate money through ads and affiliate income. You can use a landing page builder to create a sales funnel, sell your digital course or digital product. You can create a Udemy or Skillshare course, yes, to sell your knowledge. Yeah, so you can also create Facebook ads and get companies to pay you for leads. You can become a freelance writer, yes, or an editor. And if you want to make $100 in a week, you want to make small income every week, you can become a freelancer, and you could be a writer, a social media manager. You even make more money with that. You can become a digital marketer, a virtual assistant, and so much more. In case you're wondering, how can I make real money online? See, the best way to make real money online, set yourself up for great success, long-term success. If you're not ready, like right now, you can start a blog. Yeah, you can start a blog. So instead of getting traffic quickly by paying ads, you can develop a long-term SEO and content strategy to get free traffic to your website. Then you can make money by adding affiliate links to your content. And how can you make free money? How can you get free money? Now, if you want free money, if you want to get free money from doing the things that you already do in your day-to-day life, there are lots of ways to do that. You can use micro-investing apps to obtain bonuses on your investments. You can use coupon sites, or toolbar like Honey to save money on things that you're already planning to purchase. You can sign up for Ebates, get a $10 signing up bonus. You can also use rewards credit card to get points that you can exchange for cash. You can also book reservations with apps like Seated. You can get up to 30% on restaurant purchases. You can also sign up for an offer at your bank to get a bonus. And you can use a site like My Points to get discounts at local retailers. There are lots of ways. Do you know how to edit videos? Do you know that you can get a job as a video editor and you can edit for anyone, anywhere in the world? I'm telling you, see, these are transferable skills. You can use these skills to generate endless income for yourself forever, and make sure that you are constantly evolving, you're constantly learning, you're constantly finding ways to improve your skills every single day and make yourself more competitive and marketable. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to spark up something. Hey, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home starting from today. If you have any question for me, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. I'm working hard for you guys day and night. As you can see, I'm working for you guys, so go ahead and let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to see more of right here on my channel. And here is how to take part in my giveaway. Yes, we have finally launched our Telegram community. All you need to do is add 50 of your friends, add them to my Telegram community. So for that, I'm going to help you make that happen. So add 1,000 of your friends or 500 of your friends. Hopefully 50 of them will join. Just tell them to click on this link and join my Telegram community. I'm going to send you $100 cash gifts. Yes, I'll send it to you anywhere in the world, whether through Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, Western Union money transfer. Anywhere in the world, I'm going to send you $100. Yes, anytime, any day. Just come back to this video. Let me know how many people you have successfully added to my group. And don't forget to introduce yourselves to the comments. I want to know you. What's your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? I want to know you. What part of the world are you tuning in from? How did you find my video? Yes, and if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead and book a free consultation with me, but you have to be a Patreon member. By the way, thank you to all my Patreon members and my YouTube channel members. Thank you, guys rock. You guys are the best. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description and in the comments. As a Patreon member, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me, and we can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. I'm your grants queen. So yes, that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves at Good Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.
Mariam A.